In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thank you email in Gumroad. Let's get started right from your Gumroad dashboard. Open Gumroad in your browser and sign in if prompted. From your main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Emails. This is where you'll manage broadcasts and create messages that go to your audience. Next, click New Email to start a fresh message. This opens the composer with a few important settings across the top. Begin with Audience. Here, you're choosing who should receive your thank you message. For a simple universal thank you, you can target your full customer list. If you prefer to thank buyers of a specific product, select only that product's customers. Clear audience targeting helps your message feel relevant and avoids sending to people who haven't purchased. Move to channel. Make sure the email option is selected so your message lands in inboxes rather than appearing only on your profile or feed. Keeping this on email ensures your thank you reaches recipients directly and promptly. Now, set engagement. This lets you include or exclude people based on how they've interacted previously. For a general thank you email, it's fine to include everyone in your chosen audience. If you want a cleaner list, you can narrow to active readers, but for gratitude and onboarding, broad is usually best. With your recipients defined, add your title. This is your subject line. Keep it short, clear, and specific. For example, thank you for your purchase, or you're in, thanks for supporting this product. Aim for something that sets expectations and highlights value. In the main editor, write your personalized message. Lead with genuine gratitude, confirm what they just bought or signed up for, and let them know what comes next. If there's a quick start tip, a link to access content, or a reminder of where to find updates, include it here. Keep paragraphs brief and scannable and use a friendly, helpful tone. If your account supports personalization tags, you can include a first name to make it feel even more personal. Avoid sensitive details. You don't need private information for a thank you to feel authentic. If you want to include an extra file, like a bonus PDF or a quick checklist, click Attach Files, choose your file, then click Open. Name the file clearly so recipients know exactly what they're downloading. When everything looks good, you can click Save to keep a draft for review or click Publish to send it out. Give it one last read for typos, confirm your audience, and you're done. That's your thank you email in Gumroad, ready to delight your customers.